this is me, Hesha Chima, and today I have with me a secret footage of something that I'm sure you all must have not seen because I've got Anurag Kashyap and Manju Warrior with me khana khate hue. But khana to nahi hai. Where's the khana? Where's the footage of the khana? Should we just get into the food?
Of course.
But do you know why we are here?
Hi, Hesha, first of all. Very nice meeting you.
Likewise, very nice meeting you too. And I love the fact that हम बैठ के आज बात कर रहे हैं about खाना, which is definitely a rare thing because I think given your schedule, you're constantly working and fitness is also very important, I'm sure. But Anurag, are you like full foodie or are you like
I think every time we have met, we have gone on a food excursion.
Yeah, we have.
Whether it's Kochi or Lucknow or anywhere.
Yum. But okay, tell me something. If I were to ask you, is there a weird food, like or a weird food combination that you tried that you secretly love, but you you can't afford?
Dahi jalebi.
Dahi jalebi? Has he made you try this?
No.
I'm glad.
Dahi jalebi.
Dahi jalebi.
But how does that feel? Like,
Dahi jalebi is a thing. It's a thing in North India.
oh.
Yeah, but it is homemade proper dahi.
अच्छा, तो
And jalebi.
मीठा लगता है उसके साथ.
नहीं.
Sweet
कम मीठा
and-
लगता है.
Oh.
कम मीठा लगता है.
Dahi cuts
Okay.
it down.
Uh-huh.
And is there a weird food combination that you've tried?
I have this. I don't know if it's weird or I don't know if many people do it. I just love to have the Kerala mixture when I have lunch along on the rice and along with rice and dahi, of course, and this Kerala mixture. And then I like to have it. I don't know. If
Yeah, I don't think that's
It's
weird.
like,
Chalega.
yeah, having something crispy with rice. That's the weirdest thing that I feel, which is weird, but I don't know if
Yeah,
it's
the
actually weird.
crispy things make.
Like instead of
Maybe
Khana
papad,
tastier. अच्छा, you don't have papdi of chips.
yeah, the Kerala mixture.
Okay.
Yeah, you.
अभी खाना पड़ेगा लगता है this Kerala mixture. But now that you're in Bombay and Anurag's here, I'm sure there's more Bombay khana for you. which
Yeah,
is-
I'm sure I'm
we love
waiting.
Mumbai food, like, and hardcore people still are Bombay only. So shall we call the pehla wala dish? Guys, let's just call the first dish that Anurag has here for Manju and for me also. मैं भी खाऊंगी.
Of course.
पहले ये बताओ ये आया कहाँ से?
ये सब आ गया है. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कहाँ से आया है.
So this is
Yeah, this is Vile
your
Parle.
favorite.
This is my go-to meal from Meethi Bhai. Huh? So you have to first, I have to be very generous with this.
Wow. See, now this is very rare. Anurag Kashyap bada pav बना रहे हैं. Like, oh my god.
This is a very famous. You like sweet? You don't like sweet.
I like everything. Like how this is supposed to be had, I'd like to have it that way.
Okay.
Like,
Very generous this भैया is. इन्होंने सब डाला है. Good luck. I know what is coming your way.
this is the garlic chutney.
Garlic chutney. Fabulous.
And then sweet accordingly.
My God.
How sweet do you like it?
Anyway, whichever is best. Mild, medium.
Oh my.
Oh my God,
Go
my
for
mouth
it.
is watering.
Yeah, mine too. From far. Such a.
You want?
Yeah, of course. Who wouldn't want to
But
have
we can
vada
share
pav
this.
made by Anurag Kashyap? Oh God. मेरे भाग खुल रहे हैं आज हाँ. It's going to get messy. I feel this is going to be a messy one.
You like spicy or
Yeah, तीखा. मैं पूरा.
no meetha, no?
No
No meetha?
No.
Okay.
Like full like.
So this has
This
tikha,
has
no?
tikha chutney.
Yeah, tikha and
Anurag has
meetha.
also put ऊपर मीठा चटनी.
And more
Wow.
garlic?
Yeah. Listen guys, ये footage को please properly capture करिए.
Yeah. Thank
मुझे मिल रहा है वड़ा पाव. Okay, Anurag, you're also eating with us, no? We're all going to dig
Yeah.
into it.
Okay,
How
I
do you
can't
like
resist
your
it.
vada pav?
I like it tikha, but I also like that chura in it. So what I do is I now order from two different places. One place that only sells churas. So I order a chura pav and order vada pav. Then I take the chura from inside the chura pav and put it in the vada pav.
Yum.
Like they do it outside that
Kirti College.
Kirti College.
वहाँ का भी vada pav. So now that you're in Bombay, the next place, if you liked vada pav, you have to tell Anurag to take you to Kirti College.
Yeah, of course. And I'll have this combination that he just said.
Yeah.
Chura and...
No. It's like your Kerala mixture. On vada pav.
Okay, then I'm sure I'm going to love it.
Okay, let's go for it.
Mm.
चलो pack up. अब तो vada pav ही खाएंगे.
Very nice. It's good that you skipped breakfast
क्योंकि
today.
it's food only.
Yeah.
But do you think this is what we're ending at? No. we're like going to have more food on the table. But before that, let me also ask you all one more thing. When you have to cook for your loved ones, like firstly, do you cook?
No.
Okay. Anurag, do you cook? Oh my, okay, great. But so you don't cook, so somebody else cooks for you.
But I have not cooked in 5 years since lockdown.
Why?
On lockdown, I cooked enough.
सबने काम कर लिया था. Okay, so let's ask
I
Anurag.
cook for myself, but only when there is no other way.
Okay, so tell me,
There is
you
no
had
other
to
option.
cook something for Anurag, which was like an authentic dish from
I
down
would
south.
order something because I would never want someone to have something that I cook because I know I'm a really bad cook.
Okay. And if Anurag, you had to cook something for Manju, what would it be?
Me, my cooking is more show off. So I would do like, I have my own process of inventing ways of doing simple food. With people who hate mutter, I will make sure they have my mutter paneer because I'll make it so good.
Wow.
So my cooking becomes show off.
Wow, Anurag, I hate mutton. आप कब बुला रहे हो? What do you hate? Tell him quickly. Probably
What side
5
of
will
it?
make something.
Or then I will do. I have my own ways of doing things, but I take time cooking. Bhindi ghost,
Okay.
Loki ghost.
Arre, yum. Crazy. So now that we're already on our first dish while we're eating this, Anurag also has another dish for us, which I know what it is, Manju. So Anurag,
I have
should
no
we-
idea what is coming.
Great. I
I'm
love the
waiting.
fact that it's full of surprises. Should we call in for the second dish as well while we're having the first dish? Let's go for it. Chalo,
Yeah.
दूसरा खाना भी ले आओ. Can we get the second dish as well quickly?
The चीमा तो सरदार होते ना.
हाँ.
सरदार नहीं है तो.
मतलब अभी नहीं हूँ. मतलब lineage ने वो कर दिया. But yeah. So,
This is
Thank you.
what is this?
This is the A1 ka samosa. This is the samosa without which I do not watch a film in cinemas.
Really?
So I have to have this samosa before I watch a film in cinema.
This is samosa from A1 Cinemas.
No.
No.
A1 is
A1 is
samosa.
the name
A1
of the
is the
shop.
name of the shop.
Okay.
That makes samosa for all the cinemas and supplies them.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you go to one of the, we should take her to Gately Galaxy also. That is where the samosa became super famous.
Okay.
Rest तो अनुराग की मूवी देखी हमने ये समोसा खाते हुए.
मैं हमेशा खाता हूँ. थिएटर में जाता हूँ तो सबसे पहले I take the samosa.
The samosa. Go for
Lovely.
it. This
So
you
what
can-
is special about this?
Nothing. It's just I don't know. It's a cinema samosa. You call it.
Cinema samosa.
There's actually thank you. इसका कोई मतलब ये ना हम बिना चटनी बिना सॉस के ऐसे ही
ऐसे ही खा जाते हैं.
मूवीज देखते देखते.
Okay.
But if you want, we have chutneys for you.
No, I
as
think
well.
I'd like to try this by
Go
itself.
for it.
Yeah. I get it.
When you had this
I get
samosa, this is why we love Shah Rukh Khan.
Everybody, the smell of the samosa and the popcorn in the theater. Is that what I missed during COVID? 200%. Theater में जाके to watch that with the samosa and popcorn.
I know that
which
is a
with it.
feeling. That is a feeling.
What do you
Very
get
nice.
back home? Like, what's the culture in the theater over there? वहाँ पे लोग सबसे ज़्यादा क्या order करते हैं?
Now it's all the multiplex culture. So it's popcorn, burger, nachos, and drinks and all.
Burger
that stuff.
nachos I never understood.
Yeah. Theater में तो मजा
And
नहीं.
popcorn.
Okay, before we call in our next dish, Anurag, I want you to talk to me a little bit about your food memory and your cinema memory before you actually had your films feature there.
My food memory actually is just this. Bombay. Bombay food memory is samosas. Delhi food memory is Chanakya pe momos. And I don't know, before that food उसके पहले हम लोग सिनेमा हॉल में जाते थे वहाँ खाना वाना नहीं खाते थे.
सिर्फ पिक्चर
सिर्फ पिक्चर देखते थे.
और पॉपकॉर्न समोसा.
पॉपकॉर्न भी नहीं होता था, हम लोग सिर्फ पिक्चर देखते थे. फ्री में थिएटर में घुस जाते थे. पीछे वाली सीट पे बैठ के आगे वाले रो में 5 रुपए में. तो वी यूज्ड टू बी जस्ट बीन ऑफ मूवीज. खाना वाना भूल जाते थे.
अच्छा, do you remember the सस्ता समोसा and the सस्ता वड़ा पाव you ever had in Bombay? सबसे सस्ता.
हाँ, 1 रुपए का. 1 रुपए का समोसा, 1 रुपए का वड़ा.
Wow. 1 रुपया तो I can't relate to only right now. It's just no memory at all. But do you like the samosa?
Oh yes, I love it. Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay, great. Should we call in the next dish as well now?
Yes.
Because there's a lot, huh? So we have to keep thoda jagah for the food.
That's why I'm like not finishing
yeah,
everything.
I would have eaten by now, but maybe सोचो कि और भी खाना आने वाला है. Okay, guys, we are going to call in for the third dish as well now. Let's see what we have. Guess करो क्या होगा.
This was the food that
Chaat, vada pav हो गया.
हमारे गरीबी के दिन में यही खाना होता था. 1 वड़ा पाव is lunch. 1 वड़ा पाव samosa pav is dinner. और you go have kebabs with pav. और उसमें राइस प्लेट आता था 7 रुपए का.
Wow. Are you like now fine dining person or street food person? Like,
I'm both.
Yeah.
But I go to like, it depends. लखनऊ गए थे तो हम लोग we had to try all the street food.
Galati kebab.
And Idris की बिरयानी and all that.
Yeah. Idris.
But you know, I also have one more question before the third thing comes in, which is now these days, all of us, especially the younger generation, is constantly taking videos and stocking footages of khana also. Have you all ever caught yourselves taking
Yeah, of
videos of
course.
food and khana?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When there's something very, very special, I do take a picture.
Even I do. Yeah.
Because we all have those stock footages in the background.
Yeah,
Great.
just for a memory, like if there is a good food that you tried, it's always nice to have that memory on your phone. That maybe many days later, when you just go through your gallery.
When I was in Kerala.
Yeah.
She introduced me to this amazing food place near the airport.
Near the airport. Yeah.
Yeah, what did you all have there?
बहुत कुछ, सब
Seafood.
कुछ, सब कुछ.
Yeah, seafood. A very a big lunch.
Very big lunch.
Yeah.
Okay, let's call in the third thing right now.
And
Quickly.
Kerala, you never have when you have food, you have toddy.
When you have food, you have toddy. You all gotta be having water.
Why do women like alcohol? They're alcohol sweet.
Oh.
Okay.
No.
A lot of them. I don't
Yeah,
know.
which is true, sort of. But yeah. Okay, what do we have right now? अनुराग, आप guess करो ये कहाँ से आई है?
ये पाव भाजी
हाँ.
या तो जुहू चौपाटी से या अमर जूस सेंटर से.
Amar Juice Center. You're right. You're actually right. Since we're in a
Pav is
navy-
like Amar Juice Center. Yeah.
Yeah, full on. So, Juhu is a very famous place here जहाँ पे street side पाव भाजी मिलती है. But there's also Amar Juice Center जहाँ से हम
ये इंडस्ट्री का है. वहाँ पे मतलब रात को भूख लगी है तो अमर जूस सेंटर पे पाव भाजी, उसके बगल में अंडा भुर्जी वाला होता था. अंडा भुर्जी, अलग-अलग तरह के ऑमलेट.
late night expeditions are over
I think
there.
I've had this
Fresh
from
juice.
Amar Juice Center. And my first memory of Bombay food, having Bombay food, is pav bhaji from Juhu Chowpatty.
Wow.
When I had come here, like when I was studying, when I was, I think,
Grade third,
6th
grade
standard or 7th standard, I had come here for a wedding in the family. So that's when I had pav bhaji for the first time. That has
Then you know how to
has
do it.
stayed in my memory.
Yeah, now,
that I
now
might
Anurag
not.
is not serving this pav bhaji to Manju. She's already had it. So tell me,
Achha.
how do we have this? Tell us.
Okay, so the bun.
Haan.
And
So
then
make it.
then
Go
I'm not
for
sure. I'm not sure. I don't want to do it wrong. And then onions on the.
it. Yeah, like bun
Bhaji.
baju में सब्जी है
No,
ना
no,
तेरे.
bun is like you eat it. You treat the bun like parota. Bhaji
Yeah,
is like
that's
bhaji.
what I. Yeah,
Yeah.
I remember.
Perfect. Good. So you're gonna have
Yes.
yummy pav bhaji today also. Thank you. Thank you अनुराग. तो यूजुअली तो हम बटर भी डालते हैं ऊपर और कुछ जैसे
okay.
मेरे जैसे लोग तो चीज भी डाल के खाते हैं.
हाँ.
But this is also the authentic way of doing it is the way Anurag is doing it right now.
Yeah.
You take nimbu.
I just have one.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Thank you. And then you take the nimbu and do exactly what Anurag has done with his pav bhaji. Made it khatta sa.
Lovely.
ये late night खाना होता है. Proper. Y'all must have had a lot of it na, after your screenings and everything, going to Juhu and eating.
Only affordable. I'm saying this fine dining thing was non-existent in Bombay. The 90s, early 2000s. Except Mahesh Lunch Home, or we went to town to have some unique Parsi food or Irani food. There's no fine dining restaurants then.
This
Tell me,
is
Manju,
really nice.
you like it?
Oh yes.
Have you ever thought of there's one food that you could eat for the rest of your life? What would that be?
That's very hard to say because I love like food and I love having all sorts of. I love exploring. So I can't think of one
Dishes.
specific dish. It's very hard for me to think of.
Anurag, is there something for you that you can eat for the rest of your life? Also?
Chawal
Loop
dal.
it.
Chawal dal, yes, of course.
Oh
yeah.
my god, me too. Dal chawal and khichdi. I don't know how mundane it sounds. मैं खा सकती हूँ. पूरी life खा सकती हूँ. No problem.
There's
Even
nothing
I
dal
agree.
chawal kitchen.
Done. So, I've been enjoying this one since we've spoken about chawal. I can tell you all the fourth dish has chawal.
कबाब पुलाव.
साथ क्या नहीं वो भी मैंने सोचा था but then We have something which would probably cater.
Biryani?
No, not biryani also. But let's just call for the fourth dish and see what it is.
Fish.
You're right. Anurag has got it right. It is something to do with fish. So let's get in the fourth dish as well. Now there it is. After all the nashta chota mota that we've had, now
Yeah.
it's like a full-fledged
Wow.
meal.
And this is?
Chutney, nariyal chutney.
Okay.
Okay, so now I don't eat seafood, तो मुझे पता नहीं है ये कैसे खाते हैं. But Anurag, I'm sure आप खाते हो.
खाते हैं?
This is
So
from
normal
one of your
खाने के बाद.
favorite places?
Navchetana है. Navchetana is a very famous Malwani place.
Okay. Malwadi.
So Malwani.
Malwani.
Yeah, Malwani.
Malwani.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think they also have similar flavors like down south also. So coconut and all भी होता
But
है.
these are all coastal foods. So
Yeah,
this is more towards Maharashtra. You
Goa.
go down to Goa, then as you go further down, so the coastal spices change and the food changes.
Yum. I think we should dig in. I can at least have the curry and this chutney with the
Please
chawal.
have,
क्योंकि
please
मेरी weakness तो वहाँ मुझे दिख गई है ना. So let's go for it. Let's do the main course as well. क्योंकि इसके बाद आप लोग का एक long day है और full of promotions और हम अभी आपको खाना खिला रहे हैं इतना सारा.
And what are your plans after this?
I'm gonna go home and get into editing videos. That is going to be the
Some
plan.
for you?
No, I think I'll take.
Yeah.
I've become very
For you?
low food eating person.
Thank you. Anurag has become health conscious.
No, I'm just unable to eat. I never was
Please take as
A
much
foodie
as you
foodie.
big eater, but
No seafood for you, right?
No, I'll take the curry last time. अच्छा मुझे बताओ rice. Now I know we're on camera and everything, but I can't eat rice with my hands. I want to know how do you all eat rice?
I eat rice with my hand.
Full-fledged,
Yeah,
like essays. I know there are some people who can't eat with their hands because of their nails, etc.
Oh
with
no, I have
spoons,
no
etc.
nails.
So today I'll also do it this way.
Please.
I'm also going to dig in with my heart and have
That's the best
chawal.
way to eat rice.
Okay.
One time I had to grow my nail. I had such a difficult time.
Now it's all chopped and gone.
No, I have to again grow. I have to keep growing till the end of this one film that I'm doing. Where I'm not supposed to cut my nails.
Wow. All of this also happens like even a nail growing
Some
detail.
for
Yeah,
you?
I'll take a little bit on top of it. What kind of set pe khana you all had when you all were shooting? What's the one thing that is always on your set? Movie sets.
Yeah, in Kerala, it's
Yeah, in Kerala
yeah.
also.
You have rice and the sabzi, which we call it uperi or toran.
Like
And
you'll
then,
always make sure it's there on your film set.
It's always there. Yeah.
And what about you, Anurag? So, kaun sa khana hai that you make sure is there on your film sets?
I carry my cook. He makes food for all the some 20 people.
Okay. And what is it that you make sure कि होना ही चाहिए?
नहीं वो तो है. सब लोग we call it बंटी भैया का खाना.
Bunty bhaiya.
हाँ सब लोग उनका खाना खाते हैं.
Okay. See, I'm also doing it with
yeah,
my
nice.
hands, mixing it well. I don't eat fish, so मैं curry खा रही हूँ उसके साथ to taste how this tastes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's easier when you don't have nails.
Yeah. Otherwise it goes inside.
But today's kids have really long nails. Why?
Huge. But these are my real nails.
And why?
पता नहीं बस अब अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो I've kept it.
पर कितना
Then
काम
they
इससे
have
नहीं होता
this,
इसकी वजह से.
कैन नहीं खुलता है.
ASMR.
Yeah, तो सोचो कितना काम हो जाता है. Exactly. All of this happens. This happens in the videos that we are shooting. Some glam happens. And then photos that we take happen. Come on, so many videos and photos of hand modeling. Yeah, but that's true.
How do you type a message with that?
I can. ऐसा इतना difficult नहीं है. कर सकते हैं अनुराग. अभी आप grow कर रहे हो ना अपने
Most
film
of the
के लिए.
people who have nails, they record voice messages.
Well, that's true. But I don't like phone calls. Like I'm somebody who would rather give a voicemail than a phone call. Yeah.
Yeah. Same here.
Okay, so before I let you guys go and carry on with the rest of your day, while we're eating on a parting note, tell me why footage?
To me, when the idea of the film came to me, I found it very interesting. Especially, it's a found footage film. you'll know when you watch the film. It's like you see the film through video recordings which the characters have recorded.
Yeah.
So
Do you find yourself doing that in reality? Like, do you have footages of stuff otherwise?
not much, but so yeah,
Few things
Yeah,
here and
a few things here and there. Yes,
Okay.
I have. So and the director of this film is Saiju Sridharan. He is a very prominent editor in South Indian Malayalam films, especially. So I've known him for a long time, and this was his first directorial. So I was very interested to know what kind of film he was planning to make. And so then I found it, why not? When you ask me why footage, I would say why not
Fab.
footage. It was a great thing to try. It was a great attempt and a great effort. Very interesting, challenging. So I thought, yeah, would be great to be part of the film.
And you, Anurag,
And-
you're bringing it here for obviously the Hindi audiences. You know. Why footage for you?
No, I saw the film after it was done, and I quite liked it. And I thought the idea of bringing it in Hindi also, because there's a lot that's new things happening in Malayalam cinema, but Hindi cinema sometimes they get very dubbed version, very bad dubbed version when they want to watch it in Hindi on OTT platforms, because it's almost done as a secondary thought.
Yeah.
Second thought, third thought, like last thought. So हम लोग इसको ढंग से करते हैं and make it sound like a Hindi film, so less like a dubbed film.
And I've always admired Anurag's films.
We all have. Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
also there.
And this film especially, I felt there is no one better than name like Anurag to present or to release the film, because he's always done such out of the box, path breaking films. So I felt this film is one of his kind of films. So then he very sweetly agreed to present the film, and now he is releasing it in Hindi, and we couldn't ask for anything more as a team. We all are eternally grateful.
And I'm glad that brings us here
Yes.
together in Bombay. You're here with all the food, and we can do this chat. So thank you guys.
Thank you,
This
Isha.
was
It
a
was
fun
very nice.
meal and a fun chat.
Thank you. I had a really good time.
I hope हमने अच्छी मेहमान नवाजी की ना इनकी. I hope so. We managed.
बाद में पता चलेगा खाना इनको कैसा लगा.
Yeah, बाद में पता चलेगा. जब चलो चलो pack up तब पता लगेगा. But thank you so much, guys. This is one of the fun meals that I've had with you all recently, and all the best for footage.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.